Urobowado ikpako memigwe o mamare dewo kikweje nune na migo no takpare edere lawe lipolo names of animals that creeps or crawls. Egwugwe, chameleon. Ejere, crocodile. Ogborigbo, iguana. Eva, alligator. Ogbeyin, tortoise. Usekpe, snail. Oherunweri, war gecko. Orodeko, snake. Ogogoni, lizard. These are the few words I need to talk about today. In our next class, we'll continue from where we stopped in our alphabets. Thank you very much. Uroboe, orere bisao. Manurobo menao, orere bisa. Urobo kokole ogbare. Uroboe, orere bisa. Ubolu urobo jere na sofa jewatioye. Edefa meri akpo ta urobo miware. Uroboe, orere bisa o arioma. Urobo ovu. Urobo awale na ovu. Urobo semevoro ni mena ovu. Urobo shari mena ovu. Wado amrekesiefa.